52-year-old man presents to the office for a diabetes follow-up. He is currently controlling his diabetes through lifestyle modification only. He monitors his blood glucose at home with a glucometer. He gives the doctor a list of his most recent early morning fasting glucose readings for the past 8 days, which are 128, 130, 132, 125, 134, 127, 128, and 136 milligrams per deciliter. Which value most likely corresponds with the median of this data set? So here they're basically asking you. To calculate the median. So for calculating the median, it is the middle value. So for calculating the median, you need to arrange them either in the ascending or a descending order and then calculate it. If it is an odd number, it will be a single number. If it is an even number, it will be the average of the two numbers found. So here we'll arrange it in the form of 125, 127, 128, 128, 130, 132, 134, and 136. So what is the median? So the median is a value in the middle of the given data set. After that, the data has been arranged from lowest to highest. In the data set with an odd number of values, the median corresponds to a single discrete value in the middle of the data set. But in a data set with an even number of values, as in the example above, there are two values in the middle, so that should be the average. So the middle value, so we are arranging it in the order from lowest to highest, and this both values comes to be the middle both values. So the middle two values, we have to do the average of it. So it is 120 and 130. The average of it should be 129.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.